As they say, each mural has a story to tell. So ito, yung concept na to came from the barangay. No? Itong ganito na to na gusto nilang i-depict na
about the environment.
Yung rainbow. No?
Rainbow, sir.
As they say, at the end of the rainbow is a treasure. Diba? As they say, if you follow the rainbow, sa end niya daw, it's a treasure.
Yes, sir.
So ito, Palma Urbano by itself is a treasure. So ito, pinapakita yung interpretation ng community about
progressive community.
Palma Urbano, a very progressive community where everyone is a contributor to the development of the community. So yan. Yan, and at the end of the rainbow yan, treasure. Ito yung barangay. So yan.
Okay.
Yan yung concept nating lalaman. And on this part is
bakit may santo, sir?
Patron saint ng Palma Urbano. So I'd like you to interview also Palma Urbano barangay, the barangay officials, no? Na-resident sila kung nag-suggest yan na i-interpret natin yan. The figure came from them. They sent it to us. Yun pong ini-interpret natin dito sa tawag nito, sa saint na to. So hopefully matapos natin ito siguro 2 more days tapos ito.
Lahat ito, sir.
At maraming salamat sa barangay under the leadership of Kapitana Dorga Kayang. Pinamerienda ko nila, pinakain ko nila yung mga kasama ko dito na gumawa nitong mural. So, ako naman, I provided the paint.
Yes, sir.
The paint. At sa sarili ko po, binigyan ko rin yung mga kasamang artist ng konting allowance. Sa sariling bulsa yan, ha?
Yes, sir.
Para makatulong sa kanila. We would like to put up murals in every community, because one day we dream of Baguio as the mural capital of the Philippines. Kaya natin yan. You're an artist, so you know how to deal with that.
Yes, sir.
And we hope that one day isang araw, lahat ng communities dito, lahat ng barangay sa Baguio magkakaroon ng mural.
Yes, sir.
I am Madison Gabriel V. Tambo. I am 17 years old, and today we are painting a mural painting here in the barangay of Palma. Now, as an artist, I started off by simply sketching on my notebooks, and eventually that led me to figure out that I had a passion for art, and I went along with it. So I started incorporating it in everything that I do in order to give out creative pieces of art, from PowerPoints to creative art pieces. So today we are doing this mural painting, and this mural painting showcases a impressionistic landscape. So when we say impressionism, usually this is how we view something. This is the artist's view of a certain landscape or a certain place. So dito po nakikita po natin yung ganda po talaga ng Baguio. We couldn't see the horizon, the mountains that Baguio is quite known for. Nakita rin po natin on how Baguio is rich in natural resources, and how rich it is with its culture. The colorful color scheme showcases the beauty po and the life in Baguio. Not just because of the people or the economy, but also because of the natural resources and the culture that's here.
Paano kayo nag-start ng drawing?
Ano po, nung bata po kasi ako, pala drawing po kasi ako nun. Mahilig po ako sa pagsa-sketch, tapos pagkakopya po ng mga iba't ibang bagay. From people to animals. Tapos very fascinated po ako sa kulay.
I see.
And how pag wala po yung kulay, parang ang boring-boring po ng buhay ngayon.
I see. Okay kasi yung interpretation mo
Yes po.
ng drawing.
Tapos, ano rin po kasi, as time went on,
Sandali.
as time went on po, ayun, nag-start na rin po akong mag-join ng mga competitions, tapos nananalo na rin po. So, pagkadating po ng high school, in-enter po ako ng nanay ko dun sa SPA. So, as a visual artist, dun po, mas na palago yung journey ko po sa pagiging artist sa Baguio. At dito ko rin po na nahasa pa ng sobra-sobra yung skills ko. Kasi natutunan ko po yung mga iba't ibang uri ng mga art forms, mga techniques or art styles, and how may mga tawag rin po pala yung mga ganong tipong art styles. Hindi lang po sila basta-basta drawing. And how there's a lot more to them than just colors or lines or forms. Natutunan ko rin po that art isn't just for captivating a scene or a person. It can also be about capturing and telling a story
Tama.
about someone's life or someone's culture. At saka, ano rin po, na-realize ko rin po kung gaano kahalaga ang meaning sa isang artwork. And how, kung wala pong meaning yung artwork, parang wala lang po siya.